one of the world's oldest civilizations, is about to become its youngest. In order to reap the dividend of this demographic advantage, education is the key challenge. The National Digital Library of India is a national mission project from the MHRD focused to use technology-enabled learning to create a knowledge base for all citizens of India.
If all of the citizens of India who need to be educated, then it is almost every month India needs to set up 6 universities and about 250 colleges.
The National Digital Library of India is a vehicle that utilizes digital technologies and attempts to connect the best of resources to all citizens of the country.
It will connect the students, scholars, researchers at all levels, along with teachers as well as administrators.
It will use a major technique of library science called metadata. Every content will have a set of fields which will describe what that content is, that will be maintained in a single database in National Digital Library of India, and whenever the user comes to the portal and would like to look for something, that database will be looked for.
This library will have 2 main pillars. The first will be a repository of content acquired and collated from different digital sources available in the country for learners of all age through a single window.
The second is a movement which tries to ensure that all the small digital libraries developed in all academic, research and other institutions get connected.
2 words that define National Digital Library of India are inclusive and open. This repository welcomes all contributors and all organizations at all user levels. It addresses India's diversity through its multilingual interface, which gives the user access to resources in several Indian languages.
I think NDL is a wonderful platform for research scholars like us. It's like an online asset, educational asset, providing access to certain rare collections of journals and books, providing impetus to research and innovations. I think it's going to be helpful for the entire country as well.
The data will be open. The whole software infrastructure, the way the library is organized will be open. All technologies will be open.
It will bridge the digital divide of both rural and urban India, because we are going to have this platform not only on computers but also on mobile phones.
In the same space of our library, we are going to access a multiple range of resources, which is specifically important for lawyers because we have to refer to a lot of resources for, say, various activities like moot court competitions, preparation of our projects, etc. So I think it's a step in the correct direction.
National Digital Library of India, the centerpiece for the digital movement to academically connect the country. Visit ndl.iitkgp.ac.in.